In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious cheesy ham and potato soup. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 5 cups of cubed potatoes, 4 cups of cubed ham, 3 cups of cheddar cheese, 1½ cup of milk, 1 onion, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 3 green onions chopped. In a pot over heat, we're going to add in our butter and melt well. Add in the onions and sauté them. Season with the salt. Add in the garlic and continue to sauté for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Add in the ham. Now we're going to add the flour and mix until completely combined. Add in 6 cups of water. Now we're going to add in our potatoes and continue cooking. Season with the pepper and the chicken bouillon. Cover with a lid and cook the potatoes thoroughly. Once the potatoes are cooked, add in the milk. Add in the cheese and stir until it's completely melted. Our cheesy ham and potato soup is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.